Let's create a text animation in Procreate. Step 1. Add text. Design your own style or use a font like I did. Resize it and place it in the center of our canvas and reduce the opacity of our text layer. Step 2. Add a new layer, then create an outline of our text. I have used a fluffy brush. You can use any brush you like. Remove the text layer and I want to make the words closer together. Just do the same as in the video and place it in the center of the canvas. Turn on the animation axis and change the frame per second to 12. Then add a frame. Step 3. Repeat step 2 3 times. Finally, we should have 4 layers or frames. Step 4. Fill the text with color. Go to Layers and duplicate layer 1. Select both, then group together. Now just fill the text like in the video. Do the same for the other layers. Step 5. Add lights and shadows to our layers. Add a new layer in front of the fill layer and select clipping mask. Then use a dark color for the shadows and light color for the highlights. Now that you have seen this far, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Do the same for other layers. I made 4 copies of the layers and moved them in the order you see. And this is our final result. You can save it with and without background. And if you want to make a steam animation, just watch this video I put on the top right and don't forget to like our video.